Most people are never going to make a Shopify sale or just going to make some sales and then quit. Are you gonna be the next one? Hey, what is up? In this video, we're gonna talk about the main reasons why people never get a sale on their Shopify store and the main reasons why people start getting some sales and then die off and then they just end up quitting. I've had people on my free Facebook group on YouTube ask me, hey, I've been trying a bunch of things. I've been trying like a bunch of different strategies from different gurus and I just can't manage to get a sale. I can't manage to get more than one sale a day, etc. We're gonna go into the deep reasons why this is happening. I also want to invite you to my free step-by-step Shopify masterclass. In the first link in the description, more than 3,000 people have already watched that class. Teaches you how to go from 0 to 10,000 per month for free at no cost. Training, check out that link right now. And last thing, in every video, we give out a free consulting call directly with me to review your ads, review your store, whatever you want me to do. All you have to do is comment secrets down below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. The number one reason why most people never get a Shopify store or get some sales and then quit, it's because you're selling products that nobody cares about. You're picking products that you think are really cool. You might think, oh, this is a winning product. This is definitely going to sell. It looks cool. It looks trendy. But you really haven't asked the market. Maybe that product is insanely oversaturated. Maybe nobody just wants that product. It might look cool, but it has no effort or it has no like problem solving factor to it that people are willing to exchange their money for it. A great example of this is this ab stimulator that I've seen so many beginners try. They start a whole Shopify store, they put this ab stimulator on there and they're like, hey, this is definitely gonna sell. People want abs in summer. Right now it's summer, so people want that. They really want that product, but they really haven't asked the market. This product, for example, this one that I'm showing you right now is insanely saturated in the market. We sold it back in 2017, so almost 2 years ago, and it was really good back then because nobody was selling it, just a few people. It was really hypey and trendy. Now all the stores that are selling this are either massive brands or just a few Shopify stores maybe figuring out how to do it through their past data. So if you see a product that is like this, like 38,000 orders, multiple listings for more than 50,000, 100,000 orders, that's a product that's overly saturated. And you might be thinking, oh, but this is something that people want. They want this ab simulator to get abs very easily. It's not something people want. You have to ask the market first or analyze by market research, analyze how many people are actually selling this, analyze what Facebook groups are talking about this product, etc., etc. And the third reason is because you don't niche down enough to be relevant. I see a lot of people starting a general store with just a bunch of literally like random products that they see out there that they think are cool, and then you start selling that to random audiences on Facebook or on Google. It's obviously not gonna be that easy to make a bunch of money. This is not get rich quick. This is not something you can do overnight. It takes time of analyzing and really capturing a product that has a winning factor that either solves a problem or is a trend, and then uniting it with the perfect targeting, which I'm gonna talk right now, the second reason. But a lot of people just pick a random product, a super general product with no niche, no interest, nothing, and then they just try to sell that. It's obviously not gonna work. It's not going to be that easy. If you wanna learn my exact strategy on how to find winning products, it's gonna be in the eye icon right here. So just click that video, how to find 100K products. The reason number two is because your targeting might be off. I see people picking proper products, following my strategies, but then the targeting is just completely off, or they just pick the wrong traffic source. Don't just jump into Facebook ads. Jump into Facebook ads with the right strategy. Focus on ownership or intent interests instead of just random interest. What I mean by this, let's say we're trying to sell a dog product like this dog LED collar, which is actually a pretty good selling product. If you have a dog store, or if you have a general store, you want to sell this. And what I see a lot of people doing is they go on Facebook on the interest side and they just pick dog lovers or something like that, and they just type in dog lovers and they just click, oh, people that love dogs are gonna absolutely love this product. That's not really the case in most of these products for dogs. You have to target dog owners, not people that love dogs, not people that are interested in dogs. You have to target people that actually have dogs. So what we do for this is we target, for example, a dog food brand like Purina One, which I know sells really well. So if you go ahead and type in Purina One, that is a dog food brand, pretty large interest of 2 million people. What we can do is either target that by another pet brand, by another large pet brand. Let's say it's like PetSmart or Petco. Let's do PetSmart here. So PetSmart, that would be an interest pretty solid. The audience is a little bit too small. Another thing I would try is also a pet shelter. For example, somebody that's interested in a dog food brand, plus they're interested in an animal shelter, that really combines it up, and they might even have like multiple dogs that they can buy multiple of this product. You have to focus on that ownership side. So let's actually test that out. Animal shelter here. And then the audience size is 500,000 people, right? People that are interested in a dog food brand that's not really super popular, and then interested in an animal shelter that's obviously going to be a good audience of a lot of dog owners, not people interested in just dogs. So focus on ownership, focus on intent. If you're targeting things for like kids or babies, focus on parents, focus on brands that a lot of parents like, or things that parents like. On Facebook, you can do your own research. If you want to find out more about targeting, you can check it in the eye icon right here. In the training that I have down in the first link in the description, I say don't just jump into Facebook ads, analyze where your product audience is, and then find the traffic source that matches that. So for example, if a product is getting searched a lot, if people are searching online like dog pet collar or LED dog collar, you want to match that to Google based on that search volume. So in that case, Facebook wouldn't be the top one, it would be Google. Or if it's something for like appearance or beauty or something for like pretty much like looking better or looking more attractive, you want to match that to Instagram. That's why teeth whiteners and face cleaners do so well on Instagram, is because people go to Instagram just to look better, to appear that they have a better life. So that's why those products sell really well. You don't have to go directly into Facebook ads. Analyze where your audience is, analyze what kind of people are going to buy that product that you just found, and then match it to an audience in whatever traffic source that is. It doesn't have to be Facebook ads. And the last thing, you test products way too quickly. I've seen people spend like $50 to $60 on a product, and then they're like, no, this sucks. This doesn't have anything. And I've seen even people that have like 20 checkouts on a product with like $30 spent, and they're like, oh, I haven't gotten any sales. Oh, whatever, I'm not gonna keep testing. And the reality is, it's better to test less products with more audiences, more ads, than test just a bunch of random products. Like if you're analyzing, hey, should I test 5 products with 1 ad each? Or should I test 2 products with a bunch of ads each, with a bunch of targeting options? Test the 2 products, less products, more targeting, more ads. That is the right structure to go with. You wanna test products thoroughly. If you find it with my strategies, you're gonna find really good products. Or if you find the products that I give out here on my channel, you really need to test them thoroughly. They're winning products, but you need to test them properly so that you can find the best results and you can scale the best. Before we go on, I want to congratulate Sean the Tree for winning a call from last video. If you want to win a call for this video, one-on-one consulting call with me to review your store, review your ads, all you have to do is comment secrets down in the comments, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. And the third main reason why people never get a sale or just quit Shopify is because your mindset is wrong. I know nobody wants to talk about this, that's why I left it until the end, but a lot of people are just looking for a quick fix. They're looking for quick money, and it's not quick money, right? My first month, I had to struggle a lot to make a bit. But I slowly learned, and now at this point, we're making millions with e-com and Shopify. It's not easy. It's not like you're gonna, in 1 month, make like 20,000 bucks. You might make 10,000, maybe 5,000, but it's not expected in every single one that does those numbers. You only focus on short term, so you're focusing on, getting a store profitable in the next 3 months, and then jumping onto another thing, having that shiny object syndrome, not really focus on the long term. If you want to make money with Shopify and with e-commerce, you can, for sure. There's thousands of people out there pretty much living the life that you want to live doing Shopify, but you got to focus on long term. Focus on the next 6 months, 12 months, and really building something big in the long term. And then the last one, comparison is the thief of joy. A lot of my students, when they enter my program, they see other students in the program doing like 50,000 a month, 100,000 a month, and they're like, hey, why am I not at that level yet? And it's not that they're better, it's not that they have more knowledge, it's not that they're smarter, they just haven't figured it out yet. They're slowly figuring it out. The other people have already been in the program like 3 to 5 months. That's why they're making 100,000 a month, not because they're in the beginning or they're smarter or they're better. So never, ever compare yourself to anybody except who you were a month ago, who you were 6 months ago. So what to do next? Fix your products, fix your targeting, fix your store. You have to look for products that have a need in the market, that either solve a problem or other people are selling very profitably, you're gonna check and you're gonna research properly those products and see, okay, is this a product that I can sell long-term and that I can test a lot with? And then you find the right audience. If you wanna learn how to find the right audience for it, all you have to do is check out that no-cost training down below. Subscribe for more amazing Shopify tutorials and value pack trainings. I literally give out what people give in courses for like $1,000, $2,000. I give it all for free. You wanna make sure that you click that first link down in the description to get from 0 to 10,000 a month completely for free, no cost training. And if you wanna find out a product that's making $600,000 a month after just 10 months, click that video right here. Sell this to make $600,000. Check that out right now. This product is making more than $500,000 every single month in 2019. So you wanna check that out right now. Click that video right now, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.